Cambium Network's PTP 700. The high-capacity PTP 700 is a point-to-point wireless broadband solution and is designed for mission-critical communications for federal, government, industrial, and public safety applications. PTP 700, one radio, many missions. For ease of deployment, PTP 700 radios are tunable from 4.4 to 5.9 GHz frequency bands. PTP 700 is available in two models, connectorized and a connectorized plus integrated option, which allows for antenna selection at time of deployment. PTP 700 delivers up to 450 megabits per second in line-of-sight and non-line-of-sight applications with a range of up to 200 kilometers or 124 miles. The PTP 700 complies with industry standards for security, ruggedization, and IT. PTP 700 makes the most efficient use of valuable spectrum with 10 bits per second per hertz. With dynamic spectrum optimization, PTP 700 system is constantly optimizing the channel of operation to maximize link reliability and performance. PTP 700 is a flexible, multi-purpose radio easily configurable to perform multiple functions. A point-to-point master, a point-to-point remote, a high-capacity point-to-multipoint hub, and a high-capacity point-to-multipoint node. PTP 700. One radio, many missions.